Let me tell you a secret. Are you a founder of a company and you've been running around looking for funding, maybe grant funding, maybe venture capital, filling out a lot of paperwork, having a lot of meetings, being told, hey, great idea, love your idea, getting pats on the back, but no money, no, no revenue? Look, you got a problem, and they don't teach the solution for this even in MBA school. There's tons of MBAs who come out of school have no clue how to run a real business. If you're going to turn that around, then you've got to change the way you're thinking. All right, and especially if you maybe are a very good technical person and you've worked for a large company, let me tell you, they're mature, right? And I don't mean like you're immature in the sense of being a kid or stupid or something. I mean like the way you need to behave and the things you need to do as a startup are totally different than what a large prime contractor is doing. And if you worked over there and you try and bring those processes that you're familiar with over here, it's not going to work. It's just not going to work. And you're going to be scratching your head. I know a lot of you guys have been running around for like 2 years or more trying to do this stuff and not getting anywhere. So here's the secret. You have to change your mind and do what a startup does to succeed. This is not rocket science, but it is critical. This is foundational business stuff. Again, not taught, okay? Every business needs 4 systems, okay? 4 systems. I don't care what business you are. If you're Coca-Cola or you're some little startup with a hot dog cart on the streets of New York City, okay? Everybody's got the same thing, same problem. You need traffic, okay? You need leads coming in from somewhere, lead generation. Where are my customers? Right now, I'll bet you have no idea, okay? Second, I need a filtering system, we call this qualifying, okay, to separate those who are a fit from those who are not. And we stop talking to those who are not a fit because they're a waste of time, okay? But a lot of you don't have that discernment yet, and so you're still talking to people who will never buy or never fund you. And put your effort on the people who are going to pay off, okay? Give you the feedback that you need to actually have a product here that has a market fit, okay? Qualify, filtering. And the third thing is conversion. Out of these people who came in and filtered, some of them need a way of being turned into being buyers. They're not just going to fall at your feet. As great as your technological idea is, and I know you're in love with it, and I'm in love with things too, but that doesn't mean that anybody else is going to be. They're not just getting, if you're walking around thinking some investor is just going to magically see me and fall out of the sky and drop a bag of money at my feet, you're delusional. Stop thinking that way. That's not going to help you, okay? That's going to keep you and your business broke. There's lots of conversion methods. But you need to have these systems in place. And then the fourth system is delivery or fulfillment. How are you actually going to get the thing that you offered into the hands of the people who bought it from you, who invested in you, and who are expecting that now? So join me, come out of delusion, come into reality, and let's get this thing started, okay? You're going to make more progress in 2 days than you have in 2 years, I promise. I promise. That's my promise to you.